Hello, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I've got to do, but I also find some time to have some fun. I don't stress if I don't get everything done all at once for that week. I just spread it over time, whether it's days, weeks, and even months. I do not stress. But admittedly, I have been on a really good roll. I haven't had to spread anything over time. And while I've got my chores, my tasks, my to-dos, my appointments, all that good stuff, I don't forget to take some time out for myself. I have a dance routine that I'm still working on. I listen to music, my favourite podcasts. I also take a nap if I want to. I have a regular pedicure at the salon, and I dabble in manicuring at home. So all the things that I really enjoy doing, I really try to find the time to do them. It's so good for my happy endorphins that it must be done, personally speaking. So if it's something that you're interested in, I would love to have your company. It is an open collaboration. All you have to do is plan out your weekly things that needs to be done, upload them, and it's hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. And also, if you can tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles, I would really appreciate it. Alright, so I am planning for August, and it is Monday the 4th of August up until Sunday the 10th of August, and this is my spread for this week. I thought I'd keep it nice and purple and a little bit simple. If it's your first time here, I have compulsory zones that I get done for the week. So my compulsory zone for the week, it's do all the beds, bleach the kitchen and the bathroom and the toilet, hoover everywhere, and do my budget. So that's got to be done compulsory. I change all the bed linens, I wipe down hoover and whatever needs doing. That's what I do. I do follow the Fly Lady cleaning system zones. For this week it's zone 4, and it's mopping the floors, cleaning the radiators and the covers, the sideboards and the mantelpiece, mirrors and the windowsills. That's what I got to clean. And I did have let me just double check for you, because I did have something else to do. Okay, so the rugs and carpets I normally go through, check for stains and everything. I've only got one more room left for carpet, and that's my second bedroom. That's fairly new, that carpet, but I've just had the master bedroom, all the carpet out and new flooring. I'm renovating the whole of my bedroom, so everything at home is a bit of a mess because I've had to take everything out of the bedroom and find spaces in other places to house them until the room is finished. So that's what I've got going on at the moment, and it's all good, all good. I love that when I'm getting new things and getting things done, you know. So I don't have to do any checking of carpets or washing any stains or anything from any carpets. The bedroom with the carpet at the moment, that's relatively new and it's in very good condition. All right. Okay, so that's it for the zone for this week. On a Monday, Wednesday and Friday I wash and dry, and Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack away the clothes that I've washed the previous day. Monday, Wednesday and Friday as well, I take my walk. And I do have an extra walking day on a Wednesday because I joined that walk group with those ladies. So I do get my walk in, and I've decided to add my walking on a Saturday again now, and walk for longer, maybe an hour plus, because I need to get my walk in tomorrow I have got some things to do. I've got to go to the post office, pay some bills and make some phone calls. And on a Wednesday and Sunday I have a lovely foot soak after my walking group, and after church I have that foot soak. On a Thursday it's movie night on a Thursday, so I watch whatever I want to watch. Sometimes it's series and I'm following a series. I enjoy that as well. So that gets done. So I look forward to putting up my feet and having some snacks, healthy ones though, on a Thursday. Okay, so that is really it this week. For next week I want to visit the plant nursery again, the plant centre. Yes, I must give you an update of my garden at the moment. I've been rearranging, repotting and all sorts, and just getting in some quality time there as well. And then I've got to go to another shop that I need to have a look at some more plant containers that I want, some terracotta ones. I don't mind the actual terracotta, the ware ones, or even the plastic ones. I've got a few plastic ones in the garden and they look really great, so I want to go to that shop and have a look, see what I find, and do some experimenting for some annual plants and plants for shaded areas. So that's what I want to do as well. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to have to go really early in the morning before the workmen come to start on the bedroom. I have to go very early. But again, I'm looking forward to that. And if there's anything I need to do in this area for perhaps next week, I always put it in here. So it'll be added at some point this week, especially when I make phone calls and stuff. Depending if I have to go out on appointments, then I will add it there. So that is it for this week, and I really enjoyed decorating. These are what I used. I'm really getting out my washies to use. This is such a lovely washi tape. It really is. The purple is so beautiful. And then this is the plain one. I've got many of these that I'm trying to use up as well. Lovely. And then of course my trusted Happy Planner memory keeping for the dates. And also I have the planner basics that I use this week. And not forgetting the squad goals I used as well for the flowers and plants. And that is that for this week. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.